In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable DRM on Chrome Mobile. DRM is a technology used to protect and secure content from being copied or shared without permission. By enabling DRM on Chrome Mobile, you can allow websites to play protected content such as videos or music that require additional security measures. To get started, open up the Google Chrome web browser and tap on the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down a bit and tap Settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap Site Settings. Then, scroll down until you see an option called Protected Content. Tap on it. Now, you have two different options to enable DRM on Chrome: Ask First or Allowed. If you choose Ask First, Chrome will prompt you before allowing sites to play protected content. On the other hand, if you select Allowed, Chrome will automatically allow sites to play protected content without asking for your permission each time. This option is more convenient if you trust the sites you visit and don't want to be bothered with constant prompts. Consider your preferences and choose the option that best suits your needs for a smoother browsing experience on Chrome Mobile. That wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.